Park Winch at 58, TC with injuries at Crown Valley and Antonio. 5 Echo, 0955.
Orange County Park Winch in 58, 5 Echo.
Park Winch in 58.
Start me a second medic unit. Start me 2 code 3 ambulances, please. And go ahead and start the truck 2 for a door pop.
Park Winch in 58, copy your request for an additional medic and second ambulance code 3, as well as a truck.
Carrier 7309, copy code 3.
Orange County Park Winch in 58.
Park Winch in 58.
I'm going to go ahead and assume Crown Valley IC. Start me a third medic unit.
Park Winch in 58, copy. You're assuming Crown Valley IC and a request for an additional medic.
Yeah, that would give me a total of 3, correct?
Crown Valley IC, affirm you have truck 9, engine 9, and now Orco engine 24 en route.
Orange County Park Winch in, or Crown Valley IC.
Crown Valley IC.
I'm going to give you an update. I've got 5 patients. 2 of them will be children and 3 adults. And I got 1 trapped.
Crown Valley IC, copy. 5 patients, 2 juveniles, 3 adults, 1 person trapped.
Crown Valley IC, Orco Battalion 36. You have Orco Engine 102, Orco Engine 163, 1404 Fox, Alpha, who can assist you. And I'm going to come meet you.
I see that. I just put them on the gal with the 2 kids. It happens to be one of our firefighters' wives.
Crown Valley IG from Orco Truck 9.
Truck 9 just come straight up Crown Valley right before Antonio got the road closed down and got a door pop here with 1 critical.
Truck 9 copies. What car are we going to? And additionally, we have engine 105 behind us. Would you like them added?
Sure, they can continue for now. I got enough patients here.
County Fire, Orco Battalion 36.
Orco Battalion 36.
County Fire, Orco Battalion 36. I've got engine 163 and engine 102 assisting with the TC. I will assume Crown Valley IC until Battalion 7's arrival. How many ambulances do I have in medic units?
All units on scene are en route to Crown Valley and Antonio Parkway. Battalion 36 will be assuming Crown Valley IC. Crown Valley IC, you have a total of 3 ambulances and 4 medics at this point.
Okay, copy. Give me 2 additional ambulances, make them both code 3 for a total of 5. This will be at MCI. And can you tell me what medic units I actually have?
Crown Valley IC, Would you like the MCI unit added to this?
Negative. Tell me which medic units I have, please.
Crown Valley IC, you have Orco engine 58, engine 9, engine 24. For a total of 3. I'm showing truck 59 on scene as well. Is that correct?
You have truck 9 on scene. Commit Orco engine 102, they're an ALS unit, as well as Orco engine 163 off of 1404 or 1405 Alpha to this call. They're both medic units, and they'll be assisting with patient care.
Crown Valley IC 10-4.
County Fire, Crown IC.
Crown Valley IC.
County Fire, Crown Valley IC, just an update on condition. 5 total patients, 3 will be ALS, 2 are BLS as of now. 1 victim trapped, truck 9 is working on extrication. Engine 58 captains assume MEDCOM, and I just want to confirm we have 5 total ambulances.
Crown Valley IC, Orange County Fire copies, and that's confirmed you have 5 total ambulances.
I copy that. Break. Engine 24, Crown Valley IC.
Or engine 24.
Come on up to engine 58. Engine 58's got MEDCOM and Captain Hill. They'll have a patient for you.
Engine 24 copy.
County Fire Care 7122 en route with an 8-minute ETA.
Tier 7122 en route. Tier 7122, confirm you copy code 3.
Care 7122, we copy code 3.
County Fire, Crown Valley IC.
Crown Valley IC.
Can you give me my ambulance numbers, please?
Crown Valley IC, I'm showing Tier 7309 and 8145 on scene. You also have Tier 8424, 7122, and 7499 en route, code 3.
Okay, copy. Patient, the trapped patient has been extricated. Get loaded right now.
Crown Valley IC, copy patients extricated, 1013.
Crown Valley IC, carry 424 approaching from the south, approach like this.
Care unit, come on up Crown Valley, turn around, park facing west next to truck 9. Great. Orange County Fire, Crown Valley IC.
Crown Valley IC.
Orange County Fire, Crown Valley IC, patient number 1, en route, trauma, Mission Hospital with engine 163.
Orange County Fire copies.
Care ambulance approaching the scene, identify.
Care 7122, go ahead.
Okay, stop right there. Back around. And full behind truck 9, allow the other ambulances room to get out. County Fire, Crown Valley IC.
Crown Valley IC.
Patient number 2, ALS trauma, is engine 24. Care ambulance 8424, code 3 to mission.
Crown Valley IC, Orange County Fire, copies.
Here's 7122 on seating.
Crown Valley, County Fire, Crown Valley IC.
Crown Valley IC.
Orange County Fire, Crown Valley IC. Patients 3, 4, and 5, all loaded up in the back of Care Ambulance 8145 with engine 9, ALS emission.
Crown Valley IC, Orange County Fire, copies.
County Fire, Crown Valley IC. Additionally, we're canceling the 2 remainder Care ambulances. All patients are off scene en route to respective hospitals.
Crown Valley IC, 10-4.